How's it going, everyone? Right, let's try and glue this kid's toy back today. So the legs have become detached from the body. They used to attach there. So we've got to glue that in such a way that the legs still move, but that bit, what should we call that? Wow. Answers in the comment section. Yeah, we'll glue that bit in there. We're going to use our switch over helping hands here to hold everything, and then I'm probably going to use this Araldite. I don't find that super glue works very well on these sort of like cheap plastic stuff. I think this is out of Ladybug, this toy, so it'd be nice to. I've had it in the shed to repair for ages, so let's get that back together again. So let's hold this toy. It's best to do this all before you actually put the glue on. That'll just hold in there like that. Let's get some glue mixed up then. So tend to wear gloves with this glue because you get a bit on you. It's horrible. There's a little stick to mix it up with. So yeah, glad I put the gloves on. Don't need much. Just equal parts. What's this? Is it rapid set? Rapid part A and rapid part B. Tends to not be quite as brittle as super glue, but you know, these kids' toys get a bit of a tough deal. Let's just mix this together to activate it. Let's put a bit on the hip section. A bit around there to hold that at the back, as long as the legs can still move. Get the legs around the right way. Bit of excess there to get off. Another good reason for wearing gloves. Bend the legs down a bit so it's firmly in there. The helping hands are doing a good job. Well, that's the best I can do, I think. It's lucky I've even bothered. She's back with legs on. But yeah, Araldite. And I always think, right, what else can I glue? Well, I've got a bit of glue spare. Go on, let's see this toy then. See if it's glued back properly. Turn the lights on. So don't trip her over all that junk. What's the name of that one?
Rena Rouge.
Right, do you want to unclip that? Right, let's see if it works.
Which bit needed to be glued back together?
The bottom half. Does it work alright?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's have a look. Turn it around. Pleased with that?
Yeah. Thanks very much, Daddy.
If you enjoyed this video about gluing kids' toys back together, give us a comment, a like, and subscribe to the channels. More useful videos coming. And have a good day. Take care. Bye.